No worries, Nagamura. Here we go. Are y'all ready to see me eat this bug? I don't even know what it is. That's part of the scariness. I have zero idea what this is. This is a pretty stinking big bug. Since it was a big dono, I'm eating the biggest one out of there right now. But then there's these creepy looking worms. I can tell they're worms. All right, are you ready? Woo! Woo! Here we go. Hi, little bug. Please be nice to my taste buds. You're covered in white, delicious chocolate. I hope it soothes for your nasty, not deliciousness. Bite it in half? Okay, I'll bite it in half. Oh, it crunch. Oh, it geek. Wow. I have no idea what I'm eating right now, but it looks like wings. Wings. Dip it in gamer goo. That's so gross. It exploded in my beard. Oh my goodness. It tastes nasty. Whatever it is. Side Muffin, welcome to the Mega Chop. Thank you for that follow. How are you? Here we go. It's the last one. It crunches with every bite. Woo. Geeks of Grandeur, how are you? Oh, you are welcome. Thank you guys for what you do. Everybody, Geeks of Grandeur, these are the amazing individuals that we are helping support, who are the ones who are bringing all of this, bringing the carts to the children, bringing the cosplay to the children, to, excuse me, I've got bug in my throat. 1 second. Woo! They are the ones who are bringing the amazingness to make the children feel better. Thank you, Mrs. Chop.
You need some water?
It's I don't know if it was an appendage or what it was, but it got stuck in my throat.
Do you need water?
Water would be delightful. Now don't dump that out. Thank you. Oh, much love, Geeks of Grandeur. Thank you.